I don't give crappy jobs. Yeah? When a good man comes to me and says, thank you, Mark, for your continued help and support in the work-related arena, and I want to move on. I want to better myself. You know, you say to me, I want to move past that. Then I can make that dream come true too, AKA for you. Yeah. Point is, you haven't passed your PPG certification test yet, right?
I passed that 15 years ago.
The guy in the shop who gives the test is a friend of mine. Mickey, you turd stain. The Iceman. Have you ran the ad yet for the painter? Good, don't bother, all right? I got the guy for the job, he's perfect. He's in my office right now. Yeah, he's passed the PPG certification test. Yeah, he's first aid trained. And we can have a CV printed up this afternoon? Good. Yeah. I'm seeing you Sunday, aren't I? From my sins. Yeah. Has Elaine left you yet? Yep. She has left him. Forgot about that.
So Mark's here 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. When he's not here, he's at home watching his new movies or watching new box sets. So right now, he's acting like Michael Scott from The Office.
David Brent. Sir David Brent from The Office. BBC, the funny version. One that got all the laughs that started it all. So. What?
Nothing.
In 1967, Plymouth shook the world up with the gentleman's muscle car, the Plymouth GTX. They built 733 of them with the optional 426 Hemi. Of that low demographic, only 312 had 4-speed transmissions. Of the 4-speed transmissions in the 426 Hemi, only a handful escaped the factory with a convertible top. With the installation of the freshly restored dash from Instrument Specialties, we are one step closer to putting this car back on the road.
I like the fact that that car's gonna be driven every day. So as far as the interior goes, we just put it back in. The car came here for strictly body and paint. So you're gonna see this car every day on the road. He's gonna be driving it through Vegas. I love this car.
All right, got our dashboard back from our buddies. Let's set this back here.
Get that. Do that.
They do.
Yeah, get underneath it.
They do a
Joker.
beautiful job.
You
Let's
got her
do
yet?
it.